Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best car polisher for car detailing 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best car polisher for car detailing 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you! Number 1. Adams Polishes 9 Middle Action Car Polisher Buffer Car Scratch Remover for Car Detailing. The Adams Polishes 9-inch dual-action car polisher is a professional-grade tool designed to deliver exceptional results for car enthusiasts and detailers alike. Featuring a 9mm orbit stroke, this polisher effectively removes scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation while minimizing the risk of paint damage. Its dual-action mechanism ensures smooth, consistent performance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, while the variable speed control 28006800 OPM allows for precise adjustments to tackle various details. Compatible with a wide range of pads and polishes, this tool is versatile enough for paint correction, wax application, and more. Built with durability in mind, the Adams Polisher is backed by a 1-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're restoring a show car or maintaining your daily driver, this polisher is a must-have for achieving a flawless showroom-quality finish. Number 2. Chemical Guys Buff_503X Torque Random Orbital Polisher, the ultimate tool for professional-grade detailing. The Chemical Guys _503X Torque Random Orbital Polisher is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Designed to deliver flawless results, this powerful yet user-friendly tool is perfect for achieving a showroom-quality finish. On its 10-foot power cord provides ample reach, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. The BW_503X features a 5/16-inch orbit, which minimizes swirl marks and holograms, making it ideal for both beginners and experts. The polisher operates at speeds between 2,800 and 4,800 OPM, orbits per minute, offering precise control for various detailing tasks, from paint correction to wax application. The included 5-inch backing plate is compatible with a wide range of pads, allowing for versatility in your detailing projects. Safety is a priority with the BUF_503X, as it includes a built-in circuit breaker to prevent overheating. Whether you're removing scratches, applying sealants, or polishing to a mirror-like shine, the Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher is a must-have tool for achieving professional results with ease. Number 3. Buffer Polisher SPTA 5-inch 125 mm Dual Action Random Orbital Car Polisher Ultimate Car Detailing Kit. Transform your car detailing experience with the SPTA 5-inch 125mm dual-action random orbital car. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this versatile tool delivers a flawless finish while minimizing the risk of swirl marks or paint damage. Its dual-action random orbital motion ensures smooth, even polishing, making it perfect for removing scratches, oxidation, and imperfections. The kit includes 4 pieces of 5-inch and 4 pieces of 6-inch polishing pads, catering to a variety of detailing needs. Whether you're applying wax, compounding, or finishing, these high-quality pads provide exceptional performance. The included packing bag ensures easy storage and portability, keeping your tools organized and ready for use. With an ergonomic design and lightweight construction, the SPTA polisher reduces fatigue during extended use. Its powerful motor and variable speed control 200/6/800 RPM allow for precise adjustments, ensuring optimal results on any surface. Elevate your car care routine with this all-in-one detailing kit, the ultimate solution for achieving a showroom quality finish. Number 4. AVID Power Buffer Polisher, the ultimate tool for car detailing. The AVID Power Buffer Polisher is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. This 6-inch dual-action DA-H polisher is designed to deliver exceptional results, making car detailing easier and more efficient. Its random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free finish, while the variable speed control allows you to adjust the tool to suit different tasks, from light polishing to heavy correction. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue. The polisher comes with a 10-foot power cord, providing ample reach for larger vehicles. Included in the kit are a 6-inch hook and loop backing plate, a polishing foam pad, and a user-friendly side handle for better control. Whether you're applying wax, polishing scratches, or restoring your car's shine, the AVID Power Buffer Polisher is a reliable and versatile tool. It's perfect for beginners and experts, offering professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Elevate your car detailing game with this powerful and easy-to-use polisher. Number 5. The BATOCA S4 Cordless Polisher is a versatile and powerful tool designed for car detailing enthusiasts and professionals. This innovative polisher comes equipped with two PC's 12 V2.5 AH batteries, ensuring extended usage without frequent recharging. Its dual functionality as both a rotary buffer and dual-action polisher makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from removing scratches and swirls to applying wax and polish. With the brushless motor enhances efficiency, providing consistent performance and durability while reducing maintenance needs. The BATOCA S4 features a compact and ergonomic design, making it easy to handle and maneuver even in tight spaces. It includes 1-inch and 3-inch backing plates, allowing users to tackle both large surfaces and intricate areas with ease. The cordless design adds convenience, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and providing unrestricted movement. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned detailer, this polisher offers exceptional control and results, making it a must-have tool for achieving a showroom-quality finish on your vehicle.